Today I stand before you with a message of resilience, of strength, and of the indomitable human spirit. For when life breaks you, when you find yourself facing adversity and hardship, it is not the end of your story. It is the beginning of your journey toward greater strength, wisdom, and growth. Life has a way of throwing unexpected challenges our way, testing our resolve and pushing us to our limits. Whether it be the loss of a loved one, a career setback, a health crisis, or any number of other trials, we all face moments when it feels like the world is crumbling around us. But it is precisely in these moments of darkness that we have the opportunity to rise stronger than ever before. When life breaks you, it is not a sign of weakness. It is a testament to your resilience, your courage, and your unwavering spirit. When life breaks you, embrace the pain. Allow yourself to feel it fully, to acknowledge its presence, and to grieve for what has been lost. But do not allow it to consume you. Use it as fuel to ignite the fire within you, to propel you forward toward a brighter future. When life breaks you, lean on your support network. Surround yourself with loved ones who lift you up, who offer a shoulder to cry on, and who remind you of your strength and resilience. Seek out professional help if needed, whether it be therapy, counseling, or other forms of support. You do not have to face life's challenges alone. When life breaks you, find meaning in the struggle. Every setback, every hardship, carries with it the seeds of growth and transformation. Look for the lessons to be learned, the opportunities for personal growth, and the chance to emerge from the darkness stronger, wiser, and more resilient than ever before. When life breaks you, remember that you are not defined by your circumstances. You are not defined by the challenges you face or the obstacles in your path. You are defined by how you respond to those challenges, by the courage and resilience you demonstrate in the face of adversity. When life breaks you, never lose sight of your dreams. Hold on to them tightly, even when they seem out of reach. They are the beacon of hope that will guide you through the storm, the light that will lead you out of the darkness, and the fuel that will keep you moving forward no matter how difficult the journey may be. In closing, remember these words. When life breaks you, it is not the end. It is the beginning of a new chapter in your story. Embrace the challenges, lean on your support network, find meaning in the struggle, and never lose sight of your dreams. With resilience, courage, and determination, you can overcome anything that life throws your way.